Kansas City, and beyond. This is Noel Engler. That's right, Noel John Paul Engel, the one and only Noel John Paul Engel. And this is Today in Politics. Today in Politics, topic of discussion is 18 U.S. Code 1512. That's federal law talk. Tampering with a witness, victim, or informant. Even after the defendants in a lawsuit have been sent a cease and desist letter and have been sued. The defendants from my lawsuits, that is, the ones I believe doing all this electronic crap, seem to think that what I'm doing is just a joke or something. I don't know why they think that I'm being funny. When I'm trying to be serious about this topic at hand. And of course, they're also saying to people not to believe me when everyone knows what the hell has been going on, because the defendants have been lying and lying and lying and doing what they have been doing without my permission or consent. As a matter of fact, I had fired all of those who claimed to have been representing me a long time ago, and I still consider them terminated from their positions. What part of fire don't they understand? I do not have a spokesperson anymore. I do not have a personal representative of any kind. No, I do not. They are lying to get away with what in the hell they are doing. I wouldn't be surprised, since I couldn't post this video this morning, that they didn't try and hack my computer to make themselves try and sound smart on television with my work or something, with my work, like they have been doing, even though I think they sound and look even stupider than ever before, these country bumpkins. And furthermore, I have never been a damn Republican. No, I have not. That is another lie they have been saying as well. I have never been a Republican. I was independent for a long time. I've always been an independent for a long time. And well, now I'm a Democrat. I actually started out in life as a Democrat. And I'm in the process of changing my campaign forms with the Federal Election Committee, or Commission, rather, to declare myself as a Democrat in 2028. The defendants continue to use covert electronic methods, I believe, to contact me, and everyone is lying about it, and law enforcement and federal prosecutors are, I believe, aware of what and how they are contacting me, and have done nothing to arrest, charge, or prosecute them. Because they might be too busy, or they have other things to do, like eat their donuts with their time, or don't know why they haven't decided to bring charges against the defendants in my lawsuits, and likely others for, at the very least, 18 U.S. Code 1512, tampering with a witness, victim, or informant, and other possible charges, when they like to say they are still investigating. Bullshit. That's a lie. They know who is doing what. I believe they just haven't done anything to arrest all of those involved, including those who say I don't get nothing, that have started all this shit with that phrase. I had asked Mr. I had asked good old Mr. Google, the topic at hand this morning is in 18 U.S. Code 1512, tampering with a witness, victim, or informant, even after defendants in a lawsuit have been sent a cease and desist letter and have been sued. And Mr. Google has said that sending a cease and desist letter and filing a lawsuit do not grant defendants immunity. No, I do not. From a federal witness tampering charges under 18 U.S. Code 1512, it is a serious criminal offense to intimidate, threaten, or corruptly persuade witnesses, and such actions can occur during or after a lawsuit has been filed. Key considerations: civil versus criminal matters. A civil lawsuit operates in a separate legal sphere from a criminal charge of witness tampering. The civil complaint and cease and desist letter deal with private dispute, while a criminal charge under 1512 is an offense against the integrity of the judicial system itself. Official proceedings. The witness tampering statute applies broadly to official proceedings, including civil lawsuits. In federal court, tampering can also involve influencing communication with federal law enforcement officers or judge. Prohibited actions under 1512. The core issue is the defendant intent and conduct, not the existence of a prior lawsuit, letter, or lawsuit. The following actions can be considered witness tampering if they are done with the intent to influence or prevent testimony: using or threatening physical force, intimidation, threats, or corrupt persuasion, harassment that hinders or delays or prevents a person from testifying, attempting to cause a witness to withhold testimony, records, or documents. The timing of the offense under 1512, an official proceeding need not be pending or about to be instituted, rather, at the time of the offense. This means that interfering with a potential witness, victim, or informant can be a crime even before the lawsuit is filed. Actions taken after the lawsuit has been filed and cease and desist letter sent would still be covered by the statute. Intent to influence testimony. For a prosecutor to bring charges, they must show that the defendant acted with corrupt intent to influence, delay, or prevent testimony. For example, threatening to reveal embarrassing information about a witness to stop their testimony could be considered tampering. Lawful versus corrupt conduct. I need a water break. Simply contacting a witness is not inherently illegal. The statute contains an affirmative defense for conduct that consists solely of lawful conduct. Key word: lawful conduct. That is lawful behavior. And the defendant sole intention was to encourage, induce, or cause the other person to testify truthfully. However, as soon as the conduct involves intimidation, threats, or corrupt persuasion, it can become a criminal offense. So I'd ask Mr. Google this: who is considered a witness in 18 U.S. Code 1512, tampering with a witness, victim, or informant? According to this, I might actually fall under what is termed a witness because of what the defendants had been doing in regards to my lawsuits and the electronics and all the other bullshit on an ongoing basis, because they have not stopped their conduct against me. No, they have not. And how they have been trying to contact me could prove that they know what they have been doing is illegal, because if they had did it any other way, they wouldn't be able to get away with it for as long as they had been, in my opinion. Under 18 U.S. Code 1512, a witness is any person who has knowledge of material fact and is expected to testify to prove information in any federal official or person who has already testified. This is a definition. It's broad and includes prospective witnesses, people expected to testify in the future, existing witnesses, individuals who have already testified or provide information, informants, people who provide information about federal offense or violations of parole, probation, or release, victims, individuals who have suffered harm from a crime and provide information about it. The key characteristics for the purpose of this statute is knowledge of information to a federal proceeding or communication of information to law enforcement or judicial officials. The protection extends to potential witnesses, not just those who are currently scheduled to testify. Water break. The statute, broad scope, is intended to cover a wide range of obstructive conduct or behavior, for lack of a better term, intended to influence or prevent the presentation of evidence or information in federal proceedings, including grand jury proceedings and actions before Congress. Hopefully, one day, those involved, all of those involved, might find themselves arrested, charged, and prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law, in my opinion, as they need to be. In my opinion, I really do not care who in the hell they think they are, in the media or not. They are not that special. To me, as the old saying goes, we all put our pants on, one leg at a time, don't we? I'm asking the public if anyone has any knowledge of what has been going on, to please contact the FBI or U.S. Marshal Service or your local law enforcement to complain to them why this has been going on for so long and why they have not been why they have been getting away with it, and what they have been why they have been getting away with what they have been getting away with and what they have been doing. Sorry, little tongue twister. And I really do believe they should all go to prison for what they have been doing. Even a person saying, I don't get nothing or anything, which is also, in my opinion, tampering and retaliation and motive, in my opinion, for what they have been doing. This has been Today in Politics with No Jump Oil. Thanks for watching and listening to me. Ran away. Have a good day.